If you're a startup founder, CEO, or entrepreneur, chances are you've got a great product, but your offer isn't making people jump to buy. Here's the truth: people don't buy products, they buy offers that feel too good to pass up. So, in this video, I'm breaking down Alex Hormozi's $100 million offers, not as a theory, but from the lens of a freelance startup marketer who helps founders craft offers, content, and videos that actually convert. If you want your next campaign, launch, or sales pitch to feel like a no-brainer deal, this breakdown will help you build that. Okay, so lesson number 1 is don't be a commodity, build a brand that can't be compared. People see your product as just another option. You'll end up fighting on price. And when you fight on price, you lose fast. Alex Hormozi said, differentiate or die. Be the only choice for a specific person with a specific problem. So what is the takeaway for founders? Stop saying we're better. Start saying we're different. Focus on a unique angle, your process, your story, your outcome. Then ask yourself, if your audience compared you to competitors side by side, what makes you incomparable? Lesson number 2, choose a growing market and go deep into a niche. So if your market is shrinking, no amount of marketing can save you. Go where the demand is already growing. Takeaway: follow growth, not trends. Go niche, then dominate. The more specific your audience, the easier marketing becomes. Riches are in the niches, and riches come from solving one pain exceptionally well. Lesson number 3, why you should charge a lot of money and feel good about it. Alex Hormozi said, charge more, deliver more, and attract clients who actually take action. Here's why. High-paying clients take your product seriously, have margin to improve your service. Expensive means trustworthy and premium. If your offer solves a painful problem and gets real results, charging more is a service, not greed. Lesson number 4, the 4 value drivers your offer equation. The value is equal to dream outcome multiplied by the likelihood of success, divided by time delay, and multiplied by effort and sacrifice. So as a startup founder, your job is to make the dream outcome bigger, make success feel guaranteed, and deliver results faster. And also make it easier. So ask yourself before every launch, how can I make this easier, faster, and more certain for my customers? Okay, so lesson number 5 is create your offer in 5 steps. According to Alex Hormozi, stop selling features and start packaging results. So this is Alex Hormozi's 5-step framework. First is to identify the dream outcome of your prospective client. Next is list all the obstacles they're likely to encounter and list all these obstacles as solution. Fourth is design the solution. Fifth is trim those ways down to only the things that were the highest value and lowest cost. For example, instead of video marketing service, say, we help SaaS founders turn their product demo into a lead magnet that converts in 30 days or less. This is another example for the 5 steps. For step 1, let's first identify. So what does your target customer, for example, your target customers are startup founders, marketers, or creators. What do they really want? The dream outcome is to create scroll-stopping videos in minutes that attract leads and boost conversion. So without hiring a full editing team. Next is you list all the obstacles that they'll encounter. So here what's standing in their way. They don't have editing skills. It takes hours to edit manually. They struggle to find the right cuts or music. AI tool feels complex or overwhelmed. They don't know what type of video actually converts. And then step 3 is that turn those obstacles into solutions. So now flip every problem into a promise. So no editing skills, you can do a done-for-you smart templates. Takes hours, one-click auto edit. Complex tools, guided AI workflow. Unsure what converts, built-in viral framework templates. Hate editing, hands-free auto captions, cuts, and B-rolls. Okay, so let's now go with step 4, designing the solution. So bundle those solutions into one complete offer that feels effortless. So for example, an AI video editing system designed for founders and marketers who want to turn raw clips into polished, viral-ready content in under 10 minutes. So you can include auto edit, caption, and cut features, viral video template pack, plug and play script framework, built-in brand style preset, onboarding plus video strategy mini course. So that's how you design the solution. And then step 5 is to trim and bundle the highest value, but the lowest cost. Okay, so now remove everything that's expensive to fulfill but doesn't directly add value. So keep what's fast, automated, high perceived value. So you can bundle everything into the AI Creator Accelerator Pack, your irresistible offer. Okay, so that's how we apply the 5-step framework of Alex Hormozi. All right, so this is now the final offer, before and after. Before, it's just an AI video editing tool. Auto cut, captions, and B-rolls in seconds. It's feature-based. Sounds like every other app. And now, we help SaaS founders and marketers turn raw screen recordings into high-converting demo videos, ready to publish in 10 minutes or less. So that's how you do it. Okay, so lesson number 6 is stack the value without working more. So Alex Hormozi said, your offer should feel like a stack of wins. He calls this value stacking. So where every part of your offer solves one problem. Examples for founders: product plus onboarding checklist, training video plus templates, access to community plus case studies. And the takeaway here is people buy when they feel like they're getting 10 times more value than the price. So when they see your offer, they should think this is a steal. Okay, so let's go with lesson number 7. Use scarcity to create demand. Scarcity isn't manipulation. It's management. So here are some real world examples. So limited spots for beta access, only 10 coaching slots for this quarter. Enrollment closes Friday. So the takeaway here is scarcity turns passive interest into action. No deadline, no urgency. So that's how you do it. Now, lesson number 8, we are all familiar with this. Use urgency to push action now. We all procrastinate. Urgency gives people a reason to decide today. So this is how you build urgency. Countdown timers. You see this all the time. Shopping apps everywhere. Early bird pricing. Bonus disappears after 24 hours. So urgency kills hesitation. And hesitation kills sales. So make sure you put urgency. Okay, so let's go with lesson number 9. Use bonuses to make your offer feel like a steal. Bonuses aren't fluff. They're friction removers. Each bonus should remove a fear. So I don't know where to start. Speed up results. Make life easier. That's what we want, to make our lives easier. For example, if your product is a SaaS tool, bonus it with pre-made templates, case studies, a private onboarding call. That will make life easier for your customers. And then, this bonus should scream, this makes success even easier. Okay, lesson number 10, reverse buyer risk with guarantees. The most powerful way to increase conversions is to remove the risk. So each bonus, 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't get result, will compensate. There's a refund if you don't get the result. Done for you until you win. And the takeaway here is buyers hesitate because of risk. Remove it and they'll move. That's the truth. Okay, so now with lesson number 11, name your offer so it resonates instantly. The name should speak directly to your target audience. This is the formula. Who it's for plus what it does plus transformation or time frame. So that's your tagline. For example, the 30-day sales call accelerator for founders, demo video mastery for SaaS teams. And the takeaway here is if they have to ask what your offer means, already lost them. So that means they didn't get it. They didn't understand who is it for, what it does, and the result. So the name should resonate instantly. Okay? All right, so you've seen the 11 lessons from the $100 million offers. And here's a final takeaway for startup founders and CEOs, entrepreneurs, business owners. So if you remember only 3 things from $100 million offers, first is don't sell products. You have to sell outcomes. For example, you are selling fitness, you have to sell the vacation. So stack so much value, feels unfairly good. And make your offer so clear, so specific, so irresistible that your customers feel stupid saying no. Because when you nail your offer, marketing becomes easier, sales becomes smoother, and your business starts scaling faster. So if you're a founder or an entrepreneur or solopreneur, CEO, and want help crafting irresistible offers or creating videos that actually convert, I share bi-monthly breakdowns like this on marketing, content, and startup growth. So make sure to hit subscribe, join my newsletter, and leave a comment with your biggest takeaway. And don't miss out my next video, which is the second volume of $100 million offers, which is the $100 million leads. And hopefully soon, the volume 3, which is the 100 million money models. I really like to make a book review of that before the end of the year. As a freelance startup marketer, I'm really into helping startup founders, entrepreneurs, and CEOs create lead-generating content that resonates deeply with your audience. So check out my website at www.novdizon.com and make sure to subscribe to my newsletter. So till next time, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for watching.